Hey yo, this is Your Design Pro. Welcome to this episode of ArchiCAD. In this episode, still we are looking at how to create a schedule. But specifically for this one, we are going to learn how to create a window schedule. For the previous one, we did the door schedule. So it is the same way how we created the door schedule that we are going to create also the window schedule. For the window schedule, it's similar to the door schedule in terms of its purposes in the drawings. So let us start right away. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials, and also at the same time to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. So we shall come under our project browser. We are going to look for schedules. It is right here. You expand it, then elements. I'm going to double tap or double click on Windows Schedule. I'll simply do that. So ArchiCAD will display for me a default Windows schedule that he has created for the entire project. So this means these are all the windows that I have in this project. I can first click on this to fit to page. These are all the windows that I have. But remember, we need to filter off some specifications. So how do I do that? Let me first zoom this back to 100. So I'll come to the scheme settings. I'll simply click on it, and then I'll have to go with what I don't want. You make sure under criteria we have classification is in the branch of windows. Then also here under elements, it's supposed to be highlighted window schedule. So I'll have to go with what I don't need to appear in my schedule. For instance, I don't need to show the view from the opposite side, and also things concerning the fire resistance and sound transmission. So I'll simply click on shift, then I remove off this. For the 2D plan preview, I'll need that. The nominal head height, I don't need this as well. Then the seal height, for the windows, I'll need the seal height. Then the orientation, I don't need the orientation. Then the exact sizes, I'll need this. The related zone number, I don't need it. Quantity, probably I'll need this. Library parts, I don't need, I'll delete this. Then I'll need to add some columns for the description and also the location. So how do I do that? I simply come to add fields, then under general, I click on that arrow. I don't have 3D view here, so I can add any 3D view. Let me add the 3D front view. I'll add it there. I hold on to control. I'm going to customize text 1. That will be for the description. Then text 2. That will be for the location. I simply come, add this, as you can see. And I simply come and say OK. So it has filtered all what I needed. So if I want to rearrange this order, I'll simply come back to the scheme settings. I want my description to be up. So I can simply come and move it after the ID. I want the description. And then the quantity, this can come second last. Next, I'll need the size, the seal height, 3D coming first, then 2D. I'll go with this order. Simply come, click on OK. This is what I have. So I can work on this. I can call this window marker, window mark. Then for custom text 1, this will be my description. I'll make it bold and align to the left. Then this is for the size, that is okay. Seal height, 3D view. Maybe I make this bold and I align it to the left. Align it to the left. 2D. This one is already bold. Quantity I can leave. Then this will be for location. I make it bold, then I align it to the left. So basically this is what I have. Yeah, so next I'll need to create space for the description. I simply come from this side. I move this down a little bit. Next is to add the description to our window. Yeah, for instance, this one, I can call this, let me call it a top hang steel casement window. Then you can add on other text. For instance, this one is fixed with glass. If you talk about the materials, it has a top sash. You can also talk about that. Yeah, so for this episode, I'll not describe for you, you describe for yourselves how you understand the windows, because we may not have the same windows in our project. And also the location. Yeah, in case this one is located at the washroom, you simply come, type your washroom. Yeah, so that is something I'm not going to do because we may not have the same specifications. So you do the rest. Then you may realize there are some windows which look the same. Yeah, but they have a double. So that means actually the difference is at the seal height. If for this you can adjust, you make them have the same seal height. It will appear as one window. Yeah, the same to this. Yeah, so thank you for watching this episode, and I hope you learned something. Yeah, watch out for more episodes in ArchiCAD, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel as it helps me grow the channel. Thank you. Stay blessed.